In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export high-resolution images on Figma. If you've ever exported a design and it looked a bit soft or pixelated on high-density screens, this walkthrough will help you get a crisp result every time. First, open Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app, and head into the file that contains the design you want to export. Once your file is open, choose the specific project and navigate to the frame, component, or image you want to save. Make sure it's selected so the export options appear. In Figma, export settings are tied to whatever you've selected. With the correct layer or frame highlighted, look to the right-hand sidebar for the export section. Click the export button to add an export setting. This reveals the format selector and scaling options. If you need transparency, PNG is a safe choice. For photos or gradients where file size matters, JPG or WEBP can be more efficient. SVG and PDF are vector formats, but for high-resolution raster images, PNG, JPG, or WEBP are the usual go-tos. By default, Figma sets the scale to 1x. Change that to 2x. This doubles the pixel dimensions of your export, resulting in a sharper image on Retina and other high-density displays. You can type 2x or choose it from the drop-down. Keep in mind, higher scales mean larger files, so 2x is a great balance of clarity and size for most needs. If you're preparing assets for multiple devices, you can add additional scales, but for this export, we'll stick with 2x. Once your format and scale are set, click Export. Figma will process the file and your browser or app will begin the download. Wait for the download to finish before opening the file. Interrupting it can lead to a partial or corrupted image. After it completes, you'll notice the image size is big, both in pixel dimensions and likely in file size. That's expected at 2x. If you need to manage file size later, you can try JPG or WEBP at a reasonable quality setting. But the key here is that the resolution is now high. Open the exported file and zoom in to check the result. At 200% or even 400%, edges should remain clean, text should be readable, and icons should look sharp without jagged lines. If anything appears blurry, confirm you exported the correct frame and that it was set to 2x. That's it. You've successfully exported a high-resolution image from Figma at 2x. Save these settings for future assets and you'll keep your visuals looking crisp across devices.